What are the benefits of yoga during pregnancy? It is well known that yoga relaxes and makes one's body flexible. But are there more benefits than these, especially for a pregnant woman? The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit term yug and directly translates as to unite. More broadly, it means to work towards a unified experience of the self and improved health. Prenatal yoga includes breathing techniques, pranayam, physical postures, asanas, meditation, dhyan, and deep relaxation techniques of mindfulness. Maternal stress and anxiety during pregnancy makes baby's milestone achievement slower and slows its ability to regulate stress. It also leads to dulling of the brain functions and problems in the emotional and behavioral areas. Studies have also found lower brain volume in areas associated with cognitive function in children whose mothers were stressed in pregnancy. Stress can also cause attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or the condition in which children are unable to stay focused. It has been found that when a mother is stressed over a long period, her placenta allows the stress hormones to cross over. It also leads to a lowered blood and oxygen flow to the fetus. Therefore, it is important to provide expecting mothers with coping strategies for stress. Yoga has been voted to be one such powerful strategy. Yoga reduces stress and anxiety, increases the strength, flexibility, and endurance of the pelvic muscles needed for childbirth. It decreases lower back pain, nausea, headaches, and shortness of breath. Yoga teaches how to breathe deeply and consciously relax. For example, Ujjayi helps in expanding the diaphragm when one fills the nose, lungs, and expands the belly, and exhales completely through the nose until the stomach compresses. This increases oxygen in the body and is a great preparation for labor. Learning Ujjayi breathing helps the pregnant woman stay calm when she needs it the most during labor. When one is in pain or afraid, the body produces adrenaline. It also leads to less production of oxytocin, a hormone that helps labor progress. A regular yoga practice helps the woman to resist the urge to tighten up on feeling the contractions, thus making labor easier. In addition to breathing, there are many beneficial poses or asanas. Yoga asanas are recommended for different phases of pregnancy, each bringing their own benefit. While breathing can be done throughout pregnancy, let's look at some of the asanas that are suited for different phases. Veerbhadra asana, the warrior pose, tones the muscles by enhancing circulation, helps with balance, and encourages deep breathing. Trikonasana, the triangle pose, relieves backaches and stiffness in the neck. Baddhakona asana, or the butterfly pose, eases the labor process, aids digestion, prepares for normal delivery by opening the thigh, groin, and pelvic muscles. Konasana 1, side bending, releases tension and strain on the muscles, stretches and relaxes the spine. Konasana 2, or the side bending using both arms, stretches and tones the arms, legs, and abdominal organs, stretches and exercises the spine too. Marjarasana, the cat stretch pose. It improves blood circulation, stretches the back and shoulders, and makes the spine flexible. Balasana, the child's pose. It rests the back and hips, which are bearing the increased body weight. Malasana, the garland or squat pose. It stretches the groin area, opens the hip, makes room for the growing baby, and also readies the body for childbirth. It aids digestion and helps relieve constipation. Uttanasana, the squat and rise pose. This pose strengthens the leg and pelvic floor and aids the hips' flexibility. Tadasana, the palm tree pose. It strengthens the spine and relieves back pain. What kind of yoga is suited for the first trimester? What asanas help in gestational diabetes? What should be a yoga schedule in high-risk pregnancies? What are some yoga suggestions that make labor easier? iMumz has a comprehensive program that addresses these and much more. Download the app today.